So guys, the inverter can power soldering iron 50 hours to 20 volts 60 watts. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and this is Crazy Tech 102. So guys, in today's video we want to make powerful inverter that can power soldering iron, and the one that can power CFL bulbs, LED bulbs, and also like that. So follow up guys while I build this. Thank you. So guys, this is the resistor, as you can see, to gate to source, and the second resistor to gate to source. So then we have the remaining resistor was connected from gate to drain of the second MOSFET, and the second MOSFET gate was connected to the drain of the second MOSFET guys. So we are connecting So friends, this is our inverter, as you can see. And here is the resistor, 360 ohms resistor. This is the resistor gate to source, and this one also, the second one, gate to source guys. So then we have another resistor here, which is gate, from the gate to the drain, from the gate here to the drain of the first MOSFET as well. So I will leave a diagram below of this video guys. So let's test it. We have battery here. This is our battery, 3.7 volt battery in series, making 6 volt guys. So this is our positive for the battery. This is the negative guys. Here is the positive, and this is the negative. We are using 3.7 volt battery in series, making 6 volts, and here is our output. So we want to test it with this bulb guys. This is 9 watts bulb. As you can see, friends, project is working. This is a fluorescent bulb. So guys, we want to test it with 18-watt bulb, 220 volts. As you can see, this is a CFL bulb, 18 watts. As you can see, guys. So friends, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Please like and subscribe, guys. As you can see, the project is working. This is simple inverter. So guys, this is a soldering iron. As you can see, 220 volts, 50 hours with our inverter. So we want to test it, guys, and see maybe this thing will work. As you can see, guys, see the soldering iron is working. It's very hot here.